In Igbo culture, elders play a vital role in maintaining social harmony, preserving traditions, and guiding the community. They are the custodians of wisdom, passing down knowledge and cultural values from one generation to the next. Elders are often seen as the moral compass of the society, mediating conflicts and ensuring that the customs and practices are upheld. Their presence is a source of stability and continuity as they embody the collective memory and experiences of the Igbo people. Let's delve into the significance of elders in Igbo society and explore how their influence shapes the community's way of life. In Igbo culture, elders are highly respected. They hold a special place in the community, often seen as the custodians of tradition and history. Elders are revered for their wisdom, life experience, and deep knowledge of cultural practices. Their stories and teachings are passed down through generations, preserving the rich heritage of the Igbo people. They serve as authority figures, mediating disputes and ensuring harmony within the community. Their role in conflict resolution is crucial, as they bring a wealth of experience and impartiality. Elders also offer guidance to younger generations, helping them navigate life's challenges. Their advice is sought in matters of personal and communal importance, making them indispensable pillars of the society. Elders play a crucial role in preserving Igbo traditions and customs. They pass down stories, myths, and legends, ensuring the continuation of Igbo cultural heritage. Elders provide leadership and direction to the community. They make important decisions, resolve conflicts, and ensure the well-being of community members. Elders serve as mentors, offering guidance and advice to younger generations. They share their life experiences, providing valuable insights and wisdom. In Igbo society, elders are the guardians of tradition, culture, and community. They hold a revered position embodying the collective wisdom and experiences of generations. Their role is not just ceremonial but deeply functional, ensuring that the values and practices of the Igbo people are preserved and passed down. Their wisdom, guidance, and leadership are essential to the well-being and prosperity of the community. Elders provide counsel during important decisions, mediate conflicts, and lead rituals that mark significant life events. They are the pillars that support the social structure, fostering unity and continuity. Let us continue to respect, honor, and learn from our elders. By doing so, we ensure that their invaluable knowledge and traditions are not lost but cherished and integrated into our modern lives. Their teachings are a bridge to our past and a guide for our future. The vibrant cultural expressions, such as traditional dances and music, are also kept alive by the elders. These cultural practices are not just entertainment, but a profound expression of identity and heritage. They remind us of who we are and where we come from.